Hi stars, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be showing you how to make fish rolls. So let's go. First, prep your ice fish. I'm seasoning the fish with curry, salt, thyme, bouillon cubes, nutmeg and ginger paste. Mix properly and allow to cook for a few minutes. After that, debone your fish. And mash. Now set that aside. To make the dough, you need 4 cups of flour, 1 egg for your mixture and the other is for the sealing, 2 spoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of nutmeg. Pour everything into the flour and mix thoroughly. Add a little water also. By the time you're done mixing, your dough should have this consistency. Set it aside and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. Go ahead and prep your veggies. Chop your green pepper and spring onion. In a pan, saute the spring onion for a few minutes, then add the green pepper. I added some pepper because I like my food spicy. Now go ahead and pour in your mashed fish and give that a good stir. You can add a pinch of salt. This is optional. This filling was so delicious, stars. Now set that aside and let it cool off. Back to our dough. Cut them into pieces to work on them. Roll it till you get the perfect shape. but please don't make it too flat. Once you get this shape, rub the egg on the surface. Add your filling. Roll it and make sure it is tight. You don't want the filling to come out from the dough. Go ahead and fry it until it's golden brown. Easy peasy, your delicious fish roll is ready, stars. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Please, if you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.